Welcome. Pull up a chair. Whenever we talk about powerful new technology, it helps to sit down and figure it out together. Accountability, after all, is a human endeavor. In practice, artificial intelligence is a decision-making tool. We can set aside the science fiction tropes to focus on its everyday utility. And because it is a tool built by people, it is our collective responsibility to govern how it is used. Some of these tools carry almost no risk. If an AI scans your calendar to suggest a meeting time and gets it wrong, the mistake is harmless. It's just an empty notepad. Other tools make decisions about your bank account, your career, or your medical treatment. These choices carry the weight of a heavy file. They have a significant impact on your future. Regulators classify AI in these areas, like credit scoring, healthcare, and law enforcement, as high risk. These are the spaces where people are most vulnerable if the technology fails.
The risk level isn't about how complex the computer code is. It's about how much damage a mistake can do to a real person's life. Consider a bank in Lithuania that used an AI model to score credit applicants. On paper, it actually performed better than the human process it was helping. But look at the results on this map. 6 months in, an audit showed that people from one specific neighborhood were being denied 23% more often than similar applicants elsewhere. The AI was trained on 12 years of old lending data. It learned the bank's historical geographic prejudices and treated them as facts, confusing past bias with actual financial risk. High-volume systems amplify this harm. A small error rate becomes a massive problem when a model makes 100,000 automated decisions a day. A 2% error rate at that scale means 2,000 people are receiving the wrong outcome every single day. When we remove human review and let these systems run on autopilot, these errors execute instantly. There is no one there to catch a mistake before it changes someone's life. Treating high-risk AI as a frictionless productivity tool, without auditing the data it learns from, transforms a technical success into a social disaster. Because of these risks, high-stakes tools need a rigorous review before they launch. We have to map out the complete safety plan while the system is still on the drawing board. First, we document the purpose. We must define exactly what decisions the system makes and exactly who it will affect. Second, we audit the data. We have to inspect the old records used to train the system to ensure we aren't just teaching the computer to repeat our past mistakes. Third, we evaluate fairness. We test the outputs to ensure the system performs just as well for a minority group as it does for the majority. Fourth, we design human oversight. This means writing down a clear plan for who has the power to step in and override the computer. Finally, we perform a legal review to make sure the system follows the rules of the community and protects the organization from liability. These 5 rules serve as essential safety valves that keep human beings in control of the final outcome. The work doesn't end at launch. Because people and data change over time, we have to keep a constant eye on how the system is behaving in the real world. This requires keeping a detailed digital ledger of every choice the system makes. We record what information went in, what the AI suggested, and what the final decision was, so we can investigate any complaint later on. There is also the need for plain talk explanations. If a person is denied a loan, they deserve an answer they can understand. If the computer's logic is too tangled to explain simply, then the system is too risky to use. The algorithm said so is never an acceptable answer. True oversight means that a person must always be able to explain the why. Oversight needs a face and a name. Every high-risk system should have one specific person held accountable for it, rather than a whole team where responsibility can get lost. Finally, we need a clear way for people to appeal. If an AI decision affects you negatively, you should have a direct path to ask a human being to take a second look. Accountability works best when it's shared. By leaving room at the table for human judgment, we ensure these tools serve our future instead of dictating it.